Hello guys, welcome to this new series of a new video for Kubernetes for beginner. Today we're going to talk about what is Kubernetes manifest. So today we will dissect into what is Kubernetes manifest, understand what is Kubernetes manifest so that it makes sense for us. So without any further delay, let's jump into the topic. So think about a Kubernetes manifest as a recipe for a meal, for example. So let's think about that. The Kubernetes manifest is just a recipe for a meal. I'm trying to cook a meal, then I'm going to have a recipe. Now, Kubernetes manifest is a configuration file with all the instruction. That configuration file is written in YAML or JSON, and it has all the instructions of what you need Kubernetes to do actually. So all the instruction of what you need Kubernetes to maybe go ahead and create. So we say a Kubernetes manifest, a configuration file written in YAML or JSON format that define the desired state of Kubernetes object within the Kubernetes cluster. And this object can include pod, service, deployment, replica set, and many more. So imagine that I'm trying to cook a meal, for example. So the Kubernetes manifest will be actually the receipt to go ahead and cook that meal. Now, the manifest contain instruction into how to create, manage Kubernetes object, just like the receipt tell you how to cook the meal. So imagine that you have the manifest that actually tell Kubernetes what to do. And that manifest is just like somebody gave you a receipt on how to cook a meal. Now, the second thing also that we're going to talk about is that each object in the manifest has specific property and configuration, like a list of ingredient cooking. So in your receipt, you are going to have a list of ingredients. For example, oil, you want to cook maybe fried rice, right? Oil, rice, water, pepper, seasoning, and everything. And the third object that we're going to talk about, so you can use the manifest to communicate your intention to Kubernetes, just like the receipt help you create a delicious meal, right? So what is in general, a Kubernetes manifest is just actually a document, just a document or maybe let us not say document, let's just say a set of instruction written in YAML or JSON, mostly written in YAML, that actually instruct Kubernetes to go ahead and create a specific object. That is called a Kubernetes manifest. So this is, for example, a sample Kubernetes manifest for deployment. As you can see here, what we are trying to create is called deployment. Here it goes under kind. It gives the name of the deployment. It tells Kubernetes the number of replica set you need to create, for example, and it tells Kubernetes which image you need to use and which port. So with these instructions, Kubernetes will be able to go ahead and create a deployment using this manifest, and those deployment are going to create pod, right? So this, like you guys can see, these are just, if you are familiar with YAML, these are just instructions that Kubernetes is going to read to actually fulfill what we need him to do. So there will be another video that we talk about writing Kubernetes manifest. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video.